Guys, we got a package from Raja Antikrek. This package should be a body case of phone. All packages is good condition. Let's see. This is the receipt. We buy a case for Pocophone, tempered glass, and Xiaomi Poco X3 case. Actually my phone. So let's see inside. Oh, so safety enough, like I buy a phone. Okay. We got Poco X3 Pro 4-sided airbag. This is actually not kind of airbag. It's actually same with mine. This is the screen guard. Okay, screen guard is safety, thank you. Usually stay broke in the road. And this is the case of EF1 Pocophone. Okay, this is very lightweight. Not in the grams. So this doesn't change your phone weight. Okay, this is it, what we buy. Thank you for watching. Okay, next we'll put these things to here. Let's try our best. First, the wet tissue first. Wet tissue. Wish me luck. This, the camera lenses is different. The screen protector is different from others. Must be use our skill. This is the dry tissue. Should be cleaning very well. Actually in the top of here. Okay, cleaning it like this, like cleaning like no others. Okay, so let's take off this tempered glass. And this is focusing in the lenses. Actually, I cannot see the lens. Okay, the watermark is running. Okay, I will clean it first. Make sure where is the towel.